This is a quick, easy way to fix a horn without wiring of any kind. First, go on to Amazon and purchase a horn, air horn. This one cost $17. Sounds like a freight train. It's plastic. Find a spot within your engine compartment. Run the tubing alongside the wheel well of the car and then into the cab of the car via the door into the center console. And then purchase the can of compressed air, the kind you would dust your computer off with, and attach it neatly to the end of the can. You now have yourself a fully functioning train horn that can be removed whenever you want. Here it goes. It's louder than, well, it's just loud, let's say. You can put this on your kid's bike too. That'd be fun. Anyway, give it a go.